Hello and welcome to the Megamation Direct Line Training videos. Today we'll show you how to search for a requisition. To search for a requisition, open the requisition entry located in the Purchase Order module. And then click on the magnifying glass beside the requisition number, and that opens the Requisition Search window. Here you can search for any requisition using any of the fields or combination of the fields as criteria. Note that the more fields you use, the more the system can narrow down the search results for you. Let us search for new and approved requisitions requested by some users. Click on the magnifying glass and click on the status and select new and approved and click OK. And by clicking on OK here, I'm asking for a list of requisitions with status of either new or approved. The pop-up shows the requisition number, the status, PO number, type, supplier, date requested, and requested by. You can click on top of any field to sort by that field. Let us sort by the status. I'll click here. Now see it is sorted by the status, and notice that all requisitions of status approved are listed first and then the new ones after that. Scroll down and you'll see that these are the new ones. Now you can narrow down this search by adding another criteria. Let us use the requested by field. So I'll cancel here. And I'll go to the requested by field, click on it, click on the magnifying glass and select Joe Smith and John Brown and click OK. Notice that I'm asking for requisitions with status either approved or new and requested by either Joe Smith or John Brown. If I click OK here, notice that we have smaller list to look at. Also, you can sort the list. You can sort it by the status or by requested by, or you can print it by clicking on the print button here. Or what also you can do, you can select some or all requisitions to view. If I select all and click OK, you see that all requisitions on the screen from 1 to 18, you can go through them by clicking on the arrow button. You can go back also. Now you can also use the wildcards in your search. I'll clear the form. I'll click on the magnifying glass. The wildcards are the ones on top right hand corner, equal to, by default is equal to, starting with, containing, ending with, and so on. This time we will use the status equal to new or approved, new or approved, and requested by with not equal to John Brown and Joe Smith. And I'll say here not equal to. Okay, now notice that the pound is the wildcard for not equal to. This means I'm asking for requisitions with status new or approved and requested by all except Joe Smith and John Brown. Now I click OK here. To confirm the results, click on the requested by and scroll down. You should not see anything that's requested by Joe Smith and John Brown. Let us do another search. I'll cancel here. Let us do another search. We will use the requisition date to search by. Requisition date. So we'll select a requisition date of September 1st until now. You can leave the other date empty which means until today's date. Click on OK button. The system found few requisitions from September 1st, 2011 until now. See, you found few, most of them are new, and 2 of them are PO. Now, to see only the new requisitions, I can add status new to the criteria. And click OK. Notice that the system shows you only the requisitions with status new, with the requisition date of September 1st, 2011 until now. Now, to view this list, you can select either few or select all and click OK. You can go through them by clicking on the arrow button to go to the next requisition, or to go back where you can click on the previous record click on this arrow to go back to the previous record. That's how you search for a requisition. Thank you very much.